Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, guys. Let's take a look at the gold market as usual in the second video today. So on daily chart we do not have any changes. Everything stands the same as yesterday, and we still keep an eye on the same target that we have. So our major target 1450. We just now consider some different scenarios how market could hit it. So yesterday we talked about the possible godless triple to buy that was really very probable in the beginning of the session, but close to the end of the session when Jerome Powell starts to speak, the situation has changed and the market shows the upward direction, which return us back to idea of the possible butterfly. With our patient well before in here, we still consider the 1450 target, and we think that no significant retracement will start until market will hit it. It means that somehow gold should reach this area. And today the major pictures we have on the 4-hour time frame on hourly chart, so because very interesting how the overall price action could develop. And on the 4-hour time frame chart, as market hasn't shown the breakout of these lows and hasn't completed this ABCD pattern, we now could turn to the idea of the triangle consolidation. The triangle consolidation very often happens when the market forms the butterfly, and usually the exit out from the triangle also happens by the butterfly. It's common things that could be formed in the market. XOP target here is also stands at 1450. So now actually we have the only question here is whether market will turn up right from these lows and breaking it up and continuing to the 1450 directly. That is possible because, as you know, the early reversal inside of the triangle is the sign of the breakout, the direction of the breakout. So for example, if market turning up before reaching of the lower bottom, it means that the upper breakout should follow, and vice versa. So if market, for example, shows the pullback turning down before reaching of the upper border, it's also for early sign that the lower border of the triangle will be broken. And currently market stands at the support in the hourly chart, and we consider whether the market will continue move higher here or it still complete this action right to the lower border. So on the hourly chart it could take the shape of the different patterns. So first of all, yesterday we have suggested the retracement, and it was correct, although the pullback event has become a bit stronger. So that was a confluence support. If you remember, we talked about the 1411 area, but here is only minor pullback has followed, and then market collapsed right to the 618 support 14 even area. Now it stands in the upward retracement, and here two levels are very important. First of all, it's 1450. It's major level to watch for because market is forming here AB equals CD target pattern that could provide in the form godless triple to sell. And this ABCD stands in agreement with the 1415 fib level, so it creates an agreement. Potentially, as it stands in the middle of the triangle, that could be just minor retracement forming the bearish pattern and AB equals CD downward continuation right to the lower border of the triangle. That stands approximately the same area, 1389, and this ABCD stands at the 1388, so approximately the same area. If somehow market will break through it, then we have the XOP of this ABCD pattern that also theoretically keep the shape of the godless triple to sell, although it will be not as strong pattern as around 1415 area, just because if market has broken for the agreement, it's really not big probability that just simple XOP could stop market from the upper continuation. So that will be another point to keep an eye on. If market continues upward action here above the XOP, that will be clear sign that we're coming to the breakout, because that will not be rational behavior for retracement. So it will not be retracement anymore. And in this case, we could suggest markets coming back to this top and breakout stance right around the corner. So that's two moments that we will keep an eye on today. Correspondingly, if you would like to go short, the primary level to watch for this purpose is this increment resistance. That will let you to place relatively tight stop. So you could place stop, for example, either above the XOP or slightly above this area. So that's also possible, because that's actually price behavior on this level will tell you very soon whether you're correct or not. If you would like to go long, in this case you need to get the confirmation that market indeed stands not at the retracement anymore but continues this upward action. But you will get this confirmation only if market will break through the XOP, will move above the 1420 area. So that's two important signal lines for us that could clarify the direction. That's the patterns that we will keep an eye on the gold market in today's session.